So alright guys, this is part 2. So now I'm setting up for this moment. Damn it. Getting stuck. So I gotta get that. I should be able to get it off now. But yeah. This thing is set up for that. So. Damn it. Alright, let me see it. Sorry about that, guys. I just can't believe this thing is stuck. It's really. There you go. Cut the shit out. All right. So, after like a minute struggling with this bolt, it's finally out. It was already kicking my ass too. So we're draining the oil now, so we should be good. We're gonna see how dark this oil is after, I don't know, I'm supposed to do the oil change in 187,000 miles. I already went over that, so I'm right now 189 or 190,000 miles, so I'm already over 3,000 miles on the oil change. So let's see how that goes with this liquid, oil liquid. There you go. Look at that. It's not actually that bad. The oil still has more life, but I needed to change it. It needed to be changed. Let the oil drain. For a minute. This little bolt was really kicking my ass right now. It was tight in there. By the way, I bought this pen at the Dollar Tree store, so you could get it for $1 there, or maybe less. I think they're like 85 cents or so. You don't need to go to Walmart or something, buy them for like $4. Alright, so my oils are really draining. They should be good now. That was still a lot of oil going in. Like I said, it's been like about 5,000 miles now that I haven't changed the oil on the car, so it takes a while. And I'm actually gonna be working on it too. There's a lot of things I gotta do to this car, so you guys will see in the next couple of months, maybe next, not couple of months, maybe next following weeks. You guys will see all these coming out. So my oil looks really bad. Like It's really bad. I think the last time when I changed it was like dirt on it too, so it was really bad. And you should, yeah, you should never let your oil be burned after a while. So we're gonna continue in part 3. After all this oil drains out, we're gonna continue.